Good evening, I'm Magnolia Lobo, and today I'm going to talk about an interesting topic, which is grammar and syntax. If you're about to learn a language or you're learning a language, these two aspects of a language can be left aside. Grammar and syntax are essential for learning a language. So in this video, I'm going to talk about definitions of both of them, differences in use, and I'm also sharing some examples. Okay, let's continue with the grammar definition. Okay, grammar is the set of rules a language follows to convey meaning. Grammar is a broad term that encompasses more specific areas of study. This includes syntax, phonology, morphology, and also grammar. The parts of a speech in a language are nouns, which refer to people. We have also articles, a, an, and the. We have adjectives that describe or give us more information about the subject. We have also verbs that are the ones that give the action in a sentence. Adverbs give us more information of that action of the doer in the sentence. And also we have also prepositions that help us to give direction or to tell someone where something is. Let's talk about agreement. It refers to grammatical rules that means that the words we use have to be aligned in number and in gender. Okay, I have here a pronoun, a subject pronoun must be in agreement with an object pronoun. Martha saw her dog eating a bone, for example. If I say Martha saw his dog eating a bone, that is incorrect. There is not any subject agreement in there. Grammatical gender. The type of biological distinction based on natural gender in English is quite different from the more common distinctions found in languages that use grammatical gender. In Spanish, we have feminine and masculine. In English, it's the same. You say la luna, el sol. But in English, it is the same. The sun, the moon. Let's see an example. Okay, the example in here, Kathy loves her dogs. Kathy, female gender, her dog, which is a possessive adjective, is aligned with the subject, that is Kathy. Kathy loves her dog. Third person singular, present tense, active voice. Prescriptive and descriptive grammar. Prescriptive grammar represents how the rules of a language should be used. Okay, for example, don't split infinitives. Descriptive grammar describes how the rules of a language are actually applied or not by speakers. Descriptive grammar doesn't judge those non-standard practices. It simply describes them. For example, if I say, my husband doesn't give me nothing for my birthday. So that is a double negation and that is grammatically incorrect, but if the purpose is communicating, so it is acceptable, but grammatically is incorrect. Constituent analysis refers to the breaking down of sentences into clauses, phrases, words, or morphemes. A sentence can be divided into more than one level of constituents. For example, the crowd applauded Michael Jackson wildly. I have the crowd noun phrase, applauded verb phrase, Michael Jackson noun phrase, and wildly is the adverbial phrase. Another example in here is the following. The old woman brought a large snake from the mountain. Then we have subject and object, okay? Subject and object, well, subject, pronouns, we have I, we, you, and they, okay? Refer to a person. We have the object pronouns, me, us, him, her, refers to the person or thing affected by an action, okay? Normally they go after a verb of a preposition. Let's continue with the word order of the sentences. Okay, the most common order among languages, we have a subject, object, verb, okay? And we have here an example. John saw a big dog, or the big dog, okay? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought and contains a subject and a predicate. Okay, this is a basic example of the word order of a sentence. Our second topic is syntax. What does syntax mean? Okay, this is the definition. Okay, syntax is the part of grammar that focuses on how words are combined to form phrases and clauses, and how those components are then arranged into meaningful sentences. And we have four types of sentences: simple, compound, complex, or compound complex sentences. Each of these sentences contains a subject, a verb, and a complete thought. I have here Batman, only Batman fights crime, meaning Batman is only the person who fights crime. No one except him fights crime. Batman only fights crime, meaning fighting crime is the only thing Batman does, okay? He doesn't do any other thing. Then we have syntactic analysis. We use some conventional abbreviations for this part of the speech. Example, we have noun phrase, verb phrase, and noun phrase at the end. We have John saw the big dog, okay? And lexical rules, phrase structures, rules, generator structures. In order to turn those structures into recognizable English, we also need lexical rules that specifies which words can be used when we rewrite constituents such as phrase and nouns. Examples: the verb rules in the following set states that a proper noun rewrite as John or Mary. John, Mary, phrase noun. Girl, boy, dog, noun. Followed, help, saw, verb. Art, article, the. Adjective, big, small. Pronoun, it, you. Throughout this video, I analyzed grammar and syntax functions, established the main important characteristics of each of them, studied how grammar functions, and also went over some syntactic structure of simple and complex sentences. In addition, the way that words are ordered is just as important as the words themselves. Syntax is what defines that order. Grammar is a comprehensive set of rules for using language to convey meaning. Therefore, it is necessary to explore more of these two interesting topics in order to comprehend how language works. That was it. Thank you so much.